Phoenix Laundry Room Remodeling. Revamp your laundry room into a haven of functionality and practicality. Welcome to a haven where inspiration and practicality converge, making laundry a more delightful endeavor. Say farewell to difficult laundry days as we infuse creativity and functionality into every corner. Work with the top laundry room remodeling contractor in Phoenix. Schedule your consultation today and get ready to experience laundry like never before. Ready for a new laundry space? Why not? Let's turn it into an inspiring and refreshed space. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we offer laundry room remodeling services in Phoenix, Arizona, transforming your outdated laundry into an upgraded and functional space. With our expertise and attention to detail, we can create a laundry room that not only meets your practical needs but also reflects your style. Our skilled professionals will work closely with you to understand your vision and requirements. Whether you want to optimize the space, add storage solutions, or enhance the overall aesthetic appeal, we've got you covered. We'll guide you through the entire remodeling process, from initial concept development to the final touches. Here are some key features and services we provide for laundry room remodeling in Phoenix, Arizona. Custom cabinetry. We can design and install custom cabinets that maximize storage space and help you stay organized. We'll create functional storage solutions tailored to your needs, from built-in shelving to pull-out hampers. Countertop upgrades. Whether you prefer granite, quartz, or other materials, we'll help you select the perfect option that complements your design aesthetic. Flooring and lighting. Transform the atmosphere of your laundry room with carefully chosen flooring and lighting. We offer various flooring options, including tile, vinyl, or hardwood, to suit your preferences. Plumbing and electrical updates. Our team of experts will ensure that your laundry room meets all necessary plumbing and electrical requirements. From installing new plumbing fixtures to upgrading electrical outlets and lighting, we'll handle all the technical aspects of the remodeling process. Space optimization. If you have limited space, we can help you make the most of it. Contact us today to schedule a consultation, and let's transform your uninspired laundry area into a stunning and functional space you'll love. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.